It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you a deodorant that I absolutely love. And can you guess why? The cap only says it. There's nothing bad in here. You guys, I'm super sensitive to like fragrances and artificial stuff and chemicals especially. This brand has always produced deodorants that I can stand. I don't feel sick. I don't get headaches. For those of us who are sensitive to fragrances, this is it. Now, this scent is actually Palo Santo and frankincense. And when I take off the cap and smell it, it almost smells like cedar wood, but in a very good way. So it has like a manly scent. I'm sure it could be worn by a woman, but it actually smells really good on my husband. And you guys, it works on my husband. He will tell you that. And I love the ingredients in here because it's just like, are you serious? That's a deodorant and it works? It does. You guys, it contains fraction coconut oil, non-GMO cornstarch, and calendula wax. Yeah. And then for the fragrances, it says there's nothing artificial. It literally has Palo Santo essential oil, frankincense essential oil, and tonka bean seed extract. I mean, it's a no-brainer, you guys. This deodorant not only works, very important, it's not bad for your body. So if you're thinking about trying it, go ahead and do it. That's my point of view.